Hello everyone, welcome back. Today let's make Mexican style burrito rice bowl. This may sound very fancy, but it is a very easy and simple recipe to make. We will be making this recipe in 4 parts. That is refried beans, uncooked salsa, rice and sour cream. To begin with, let's start by the preparation of sour cream. For this, in a bowl take hung curd, add lemon if your curd is not very sour, give it a good mix and now keep it in the refrigerator. Making uncooked salsa will require, in a bowl add tomatoes, finely chopped onion, coriander, add salt and chili flakes as per your taste. And while mixing it, keep on pressing the tomatoes so as to release the juice from it. Now let's prepare the rice. For which, in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil heats up, add in chopped garlic, saute till it turns palish in color. Now add thinly sliced onions and saute them till they turn pinkish in color. Followed by carrot, that is finely chopped. Now add in finely chopped capsicum and boiled sweet corns. Give it a good mix, add in salt as per taste and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Now give it a good mix and add chili flakes as per your taste. Cover this up for not more than 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, when your veggies look almost done, add in rice. Make sure your rice is very open and is cooked 90%. Now give all this a good mix and cover the pan and let it cook for another 60 seconds. And our rice is done. Let's prepare refried beans. For which, in a pan add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once it heats up, add in 1 tablespoon of garlic that is finely chopped. Now add in spring onion whites and give it a good mix till they turn yellowish in color. Now add in tomatoes and while mixing the tomatoes, keep on pressing the tomatoes. Add in salt to speeden up the cooking process. Cover the tomatoes so that they cook quickly. Now mash the tomatoes so as to release the juice from tomatoes. Add in chili sauce as per your taste. Now add coarsely mashed refined beans and give it a good mix. Top it up with some spring onions. Add salt as per taste. And our refried beans are done. Let's start assembling our burrito rice bowl. For which, in a clear bowl, put a good thick layer of rice and press it down completely. Now top it up with the refried beans that we had prepared. Now put a very thin layer of the sour cream. And finally put the uncooked salsa that we had prepared. Top this up with nachos and cheese. Voila! Our burrito rice bowl is ready. If you like this video, do hit a like. Leave back your feedbacks in comment section. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video. Bye bye.